What's a coffee morning at Orange Campers? Well, it's a very casual meet and greet. You can come, you can see live production, I'm at workshop there, see what we're building, speak to the team. Some light refreshments on, most of all, apart from coming to meet me, you can come see the vans. And Jack will be here as well, so that's worth coming on its own. But we've got all the vans lined up, and it's just a nice, casual affair. You can come, you can drop in and out 10 while 1. We try and limit it so the lads can pack up and get ready. And it's so hot at the minute. It's not always like this, I'm afraid. But we've got all the vans lined up for you to see. They're not always presented like this. So on a coffee morning, we stagger them out, put them where you can see them. And this sun makes it much nicer to be able to view the vans. But just follow us around today and you'll see. Very laid back, enjoyable day to come and see some camper vans. And the good thing with coffee mornings is, especially local ones, we get customers like Pete here popping in, and Pete, you spoke to people today, and it's good to share sort of your experiences with one of our vans.
Well, I really enjoy coming along because you sometimes help me out with my van, so I do reciprocal and help you out coming along.
And you're in your second Orange camper now, aren't you?
Yes, the second one, yes.
Pete's got a option 2 now, haven't you?
Yes, option 2. And, but it's good to give them, your experience of the van. Yes. I think it helps them.
Yeah, it is, because people are unsure about a big purchase, and then, like you say, to meet people like yourself who've taken the plunge already. That's right. And you're using it, and you've got that experience and so on.
And I've been showing them the car bunk, so this is where you put your grandchildren.
Yeah, because
this is where you put your dogs.
Yeah, because dogs and grandchildren taking up all the space.
Yes, yeah.
But you don't need to go anywhere when it's like this.
That's right.
We don't need to go abroad. But so thanks for coming, Pete.
It's a pleasure. Thank you very much then.
Some of you have asked, can we come and see the micro camper? Of course you can. It's here. We've got a dedicated demonstrator set up, so you can come and see this. It's a fully off-grid gasless version as well. We've got used ones as well that you can Jessel source you if you're looking for one pre-loved. Jessel source you one what's being looked after. So if you want to see a micro camper, come and have a look. What about our new pop top demonstrator? The high top with a pop top. Best of both worlds. Come in and have a look. We've been showing customers this morning on the coffee morning how the beds work. 2 single beds, 1 double bed, 1 extra enormous bed if you want. Another great bed upstairs. And people physically get up this bed, lay down, and can't believe the space up there. It is enormous. So yes, you can come and look round the Atek pop top van, as we call it, the high top pop top. This one's got a shower in as well, so you can stand in the shower. Physically, I make people stand in there, spin round and say, see, it's a usable shower. So come and have a look round for yourself. You fancy something different? What about a fixed rear bed? Really easy, 2 berth. You can be as selfish as you wish. You can say, sorry, I've only got 2 seats, you can't come away with me. But look at all this space you've got to enjoy. You've got a massive kitchen area, big fridge, 90-litre fridge. You've even got a toilet. Soon to be a shower as well. So if you fancy a shower, if a toilet's not enough, this goes across here to give you privacy. But if that's not enough, we are developing a shower. So you can come and see that for yourself. And then you can get on the fixed bed. Hang on, there's somebody already in my bed. Modelled by Charlie, who's having 5 minutes rest. So you can come and get in the bed, try it, see if it works for you. It's a beautiful van. If you think you'd enjoy a coffee morning at Orange Campers, head over to the website, look out for more coffee mornings on there, or why not book a workshop tour?